Hello, future devs. Welcome back to Trails of Take. Today we'll be proceeding with introduction to Java. If you guys are on your Java learning journey, I believe this is the right platform for you guys to learn. Without any delay, let's get started. But I want you guys to please subscribe the channel and please like the video and hit the bell icon. Today we'll be seeing that what is Java, how it works, and why it's one of the most popular programming language in the world. Let's get started. Do you guys know that your favorite applications like Facebook, Instagram, and the Netflix, the some part of the Netflix uses Java. But what makes Java so powerful? So that these applications are using it. So let's figure it out. So for that, we'll be knowing that what exactly is Java. So Java is basically a high level language which is object oriented. So what does object oriented means? So here you can see on the screen I have four different devices: a server, iPad, and your laptop and your mobile phone, your smartphone. These four things I can consider as an object. Your laptop can be an object. In the real world, you can see that real world entity, anything in the real world can be an object. So here on the screen, you can see that your laptop can be an object, your iPad can be an object, and your mobile can also be an object. So that's why Java is an object oriented programming. So everything in the Java roams around the objects and classes. Let's proceed. Which is developed by Sun Microsystem in 1995, and it's still going strong today. Why it's still going strong today? Because the Java developers are adding more features to Java and releasing the new versions of Java. So that's why it is still going strong today. So the goal of Java was simpler when it was developed, that write once, run anywhere. That means the same code can run on any device from phone to server without needing it to rewrite. So you can see that I have given a same Java to all your devices. So that's because you can write code at one and it can be run on any of your device which is having JVM. So let's figure out what is JVM and how this Java code is working on all four devices in the same way. Okay, so how Java works. Here's what happened behind the scene when you write your Java code. So if you can see on the screen, there is a developer who is writing the code that I have written it as an public void main, because your Java compiler will always look for the main class whenever it runs. That we will see in the next session, that how your compiler is working, how your main method is working. Right, so if you can see that I have created one Java file, that is hello world.java. So whenever you will be writing your Java class, so your Java class is going to save with what .java file, right? And your class name, your main class name, and your file name should be same. That's the main rule of Java, writing Java code. Okay, so here you will be compiling your Java code with Java compiler, that is the command by Java C, and which is going to generate a byte code, which is going to generate bytecode, a dot class file of bytecode. It is directly converting your machine code into the bytecodes, which is platform independent, which can be run on any platform. That's why Java is platform independent. That's why your Java code is running on mobile, your on laptop and iPad and on the server itself, because it is platform independent, because it runs in bytecode. It always executed your dot class file on every machine that is installed, that is having a Java virtual machine. So there is one powerful term, that is Java virtual machine, which is installed on your every devices that executed your dot class file on any operating system. So you write your code in a .java file, and the Java compiler compiles it into bytecode, basically the dot class file. The JVM, Java Virtual Machine, reads that bytecode and run it on your machine. This means the same Java code can run on Windows, Mac, and Linux, anywhere that has a JVM. So that's why Java is platform independent in action. So you can consider it as a real world analogy. You can understand the Java with the real world analogy, that you have different type of TV, smart TV, you have antenna TV, an old TV, or you might be having a Samsung TV, or you have an MI TV. So think of Java like a universal remote. So you have a remote, and it doesn't matter what TV or what device you use. The remote Java bytecode will work as long as there is a receiver. JVM. This JVM, this receiver is on installed on your entire TV, each and every TV. So that's why it is able to access all the channels of your different types of TV. So thank you so much, guys. Thank you very much. I want you guys to please comment down your questions. If you have any doubt, I would be really very happy to clear it out. And please feel free to comment, and stay tuned for the next session. So thank you so much. Thanks for watching the video. Please do comment, like, share, and subscribe.